Dreaming of hitting those high notes with confidence? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 reasons why Singorama is the perfect fit for you to learn how to sing. Benefit 1. Master the basics and build a strong foundation. You'll learn proper breathing techniques, vocal exercises for warm-up, and how to develop healthy vocal habits to avoid straining your voice. Benefit 2. Unlock your vocal range and hit those high notes. Singorama provides targeted exercises to expand your vocal range, giving you freedom to explore different styles and truly own your voice. Benefit 3. Build confidence and conquer stage fright. Singorama offers tips and tricks to manage performance anxiety, so you can step onto that stage with confidence and let your inner rock star shine. Benefit 4. Develop a beautiful and unique vocal tone. Singorama helps you refine your vocal tone, allowing you to express yourself with more depth and emotion. Benefit 5. Learn at your own pace and embrace the fun. With video lessons, practice exercises, and a supportive community, you can learn at your own pace and make singing an enjoyable experience. If you're considering taking your singing to the next level, check out Singorama's free trial. Find out more in the link at the comments or description below.